Hey everyone, so I'm here in Galveston, and behind me is a memorial to the 1900 Galveston hurricane, which is still the deadliest natural disaster in US history. Over 6,000 people, some estimates say even more, lost their lives when a massive hurricane hit this island with almost no warning. This statue isn't just decorative, it's meant to freeze a moment in time, the fear, the loss, and the human cost of that storm. The figures you see represent everyday people, families, children, survivors. It's emotional on purpose. The artists wanted you to feel what happened, not just read about it. Back in 1900, Galveston was a booming coastal city, but there was no seawall, limited weather technology, and warnings weren't taken seriously. When the storm hit, the island was basically defenseless. Entire neighborhoods were wiped out overnight. This memorial stands as both a tribute and a warning. After the hurricane, Galveston built a massive seawall and literally raised the elevation of the city, one of the biggest engineering projects of its time. So this statue also symbolizes resilience and how tragedy reshaped the city forever. Standing here, it's quiet but heavy. It reminds you that history isn't just dates, it's people. And Galveston carries this story with it every single day. The seagulls flying overhead add to that contrast. They're just gliding, doing their thing, while this statue tells a story of chaos, loss, and survival. It really hits you how nature can be both beautiful and devastating. As the waves keep breaking on the shore, it's a reminder that the Gulf never stops moving. After the hurricane, the city built the seawall and raised the land, completely changing Galveston's future. This memorial stands here not just to remember those lost, but to respect the power of the ocean in the vicinity right now. As I'm walking along Galveston Beach, you can feel how alive this place is. The sand shifts under your feet, the waves roll in non-stop, and there's always a breeze coming off the Gulf. People are walking the shoreline, birds are pacing the water's edge, and it all feels calm and open. It's the kind of walk that clears your head, but at the same time, knowing this beach's history gives it a deeper weight. Every step feels connected to the past, where the ocean has shaped both the land and the people who live here. Galveston Beach, an historic pier, is a must-visit place. If you are visiting Houston, please do watch out my channel for more videos captured across Galveston Historic Pier or crossing the ocean in a ferry. Please do like and subscribe.